I look the part, blend in with the rest, the church crowd. I know the routine, pack a list of the Bible studies in town. Watch Christian TV, I know all the preachers and their cliches. I've been born again, and without a doubt, I know I'm saved. But sometimes I hurt, and sometimes I cry, and sometimes I can't get it right, no matter how hard that I seem to try. Sometimes I fall down and I stumble over my own disguise, but I try to look strong as the whole world looks on. Sometimes I'm no